Welcome back to Dagge Down Under. I'm in the middle of a rainforest, you can almost call it. It says that on the signs at least. Today, still mostly a pretty relaxed day, walking around. I've probably walked like 20-30 kilometers or something, probably a lot more. Around Gosford, I've been to Arena Fair. If you compare to Sweden, it's like Väla, and it's probably not as big as Väla, but it is big when you haven't been there before. It will be exciting if I find my way out of here, but if this movie is uploaded, I have actually reached out of here. Anyhow, tomorrow, first A-League game, will be fun to see the real deal here in Australia. And at Arena Fair I got my Australian mobile phone. Cost me some dollars, but I think it was worth to get a real good one with Android and stuffs. But it seems like I can't upload pictures on the network, even though I have some data. But anyhow, I can just do that from home when I get a better upload there as well. At home we have right now 0.13 upload speed. That's insanely low. But the house owner, I said he will fix it soon. Anyhow, this is beautiful. I mean, wow. My camera, it says, yeah, it's a landscape. Yeah, that's very smart of you, camera. It's really a landscape here. And well, it's apparently I find some kind of civilization here with the fence. So we'll end it here and I will continue my way.